A microwave that has power but won't work can be caused by several common issues. One reason is a faulty thermal fuse, which cuts off power when the microwave overheats. If the thermal fuse is blown, the microwave won't function, and a multimeter can be used to determine if it's working. Another possible cause is a blown line fuse, which can result from an overflow of currents in the circuitry. Problems with the main control board can also prevent the microwave from working, as the control board controls the flow of power to the microwave. To resolve these issues, the faulty thermal fuse can be substituted with a new one that has the same voltage and current rating. A blown line fuse can be replaced after using a multimeter to test for continuity, or a professional can be contacted to do it. If the main control board is damaged, it can be replaced with a new one after testing it with a multimeter. By identifying the reason for the malfunction and implementing the appropriate solution, fixing a powered microwave that won't work can be a relatively straightforward process.